Good afternoon, Alan McIlroy here from Berthon International, and this afternoon I've got the pleasure of showing you over this rather nice Discovery 55 ALTARAMA. Good morning, Alan McIlroy here from Berthon International, and this morning I have the pleasure of showing you around this rather nice Discovery 55 from 2002 ALTARAMA. Boat quite well known to us. We've sold it to the current owners and the owners prior to that, and she's quite a tricked out 55, it has to be said. She's definitely quite well spec'd. You'll see there here from the transom with the custom solar panels mounted onto the davits. So let's just step on board. Nice white hull, teak-led decks, as you would imagine. They've been treated with Simcoe, hence the nice golden colour, which does, I have to say, does preserve the life of the teak. What sets ALTARAMA apart from some of her sister ships is, well, there's a number of things. One would be her rig. She sports a hull spars carbon rig with a furling boom with BMR electric drive in that. Up on the bow here, we have a twin bow roller, as you can see, with Reckman furling. And your little dolphin watching seats there as well. Nice clutter-free decks looking aft, actually. It's a nice feature of the Discovery 55 that the coach roof runs seamlessly into the foredeck. Whisper pole on the side deck there for downwind sailing. She does come with quite a comprehensive sail wardrobe, actually, both on the wind and downwind. So that's the hull spars carbon rig and furling boom. Standing rigging is rod, and that was checked both in 2018 and 2021. She's also had the deck saloon windows replaced as well in recent years. Moving aft, you can see she's quite well sorted there on the gantry above the davits with satcoms, solar panels and so forth. The electronics have all been largely updated in recent years. The sailing electronics on autopilot, B&G. Down below decks she runs Net Maxi software on 2 PCs. As we know with this Discoveries, most of the white sail plan can be handled by that capstan winch on the port side of the saloon. There's the upgraded B&G instrumentation. So furling lines and sheets and so on all come back, outholes, etc. come back to the capstan winch there. Primary winches again electric as well. Now stepping below, she sports a cherry interior with some rather nice light grey fabric upholstery. The headlinings and everything are in lovely condition. The cherry has softened with age, but overall she's in absolutely sparkling condition below deck. The feature Discovery saloon table there with the leaves that lift out and rotate to create a larger dining table. And she has that nice little motif in the centre of the table. So a quick glimpse up onto the nav station there. You can see it's fairly well stocked. As I mentioned, she runs 2 PCs, which are running Net, I believe, and Maxi. Batteries, I should mention, by the way, in the last year have been upgraded to lithium, so she sports 600 amp hours domestic services and then 200 for navigational. That was a professional installation. Being an early discovery, she sports the watertight bulkhead door, stepping forward. Nice, well-appointed centerline double berth in the guest cabin forward with stowage outboard. Stowage to both port and starboard. Stepping aft, we have that very comfortable twin Pullman cabin on port. And those are good sized berths actually. They're nice and wide, and it's a proper sized Pullman berth. And on starboard, we have the forward WC and shower. The yacht features both air conditioning and then Ausbacher heating, but that is waterborne heating as opposed to hot air. A little detail there of the bulkhead door, which, as I say, was a feature on the earlier discoveries. Bird's eye view of the very popular Discovery Saloon. I think it's one of the features of the yacht that people are particularly fond of. Now, stepping aft on port to the linear long aft galley. From our fans there for a bit of ventilation, and those are in the cabins also. So twin stainless sinks, and obviously the 55s are known for their fairly large refrigeration, both in terms of freezer and fridge. Stepping aft into the owner's cabin. Arguably, really quite a nice place to be. Plenty of room either side of the berth, and good stowage, and lots of light and ventilation. To the owner's ensuite, electric flush loos. Enclosed shower stall, which cunningly hides the full-size domestic washing machine, Miele washing machine. And of course, access to the engine room. Yanmar here with just over, I think it's about 2,100 hours. That's been regularly and professionally maintained. Filters there for the water maker, which is a Spectra. And obviously forward of the engine room, the vessel sports owning 11 kilowatt generator as well. So with the recent adaptations, especially with the addition of the battery management system and the lithium batteries combined with the solar, the aerogen and the generator, ALTARAMA is set up to be an incredibly self-sufficient blue water yacht. Currently ashore at our facility here in Leamington. So for further details, please have a peep on our website or feel free to give us a call. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.